Company Eckelmann is the automation company from Germany, made in Germany. We are in three sections, divided. The first section is the plant and industrial automation. The second section is about the building automation, and the third section is about the machine automation. We are here in the region because we know we decided to make an expansion in this region, and we know the opportunity that we will have here. We have one opportunity that we think that the company Eckelmann will have more than other companies is about the vertical and horizontal integration. For example, in a plant for automation of any industrial automation, we can make the integration from the work floor onto the ERP systems. The second thing, we have a kind of hierarchy which is very simple. That's why we are very close to the clients. We are talking about services, we are talking about the after-sales services, which is a kind of factor for the decision for the clients to work with Eckelmann or not.